In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Binance Deposit Suspended. Now, if you see a deposit suspended error, it could be due to multiple different reasons, and here are the first things that you want to take a look at. So, some of the common causes include wallet maintenance or network issues. So, Binance may temporarily disable deposits and withdrawals for a specific token due to scheduled software or hardware upgrades, a blockchain hard fork, network congestion, or insufficient hot wallet balance. Now, typically, Binance is going to give you a notification, and it may say something along the lines of set reminder so that you're notified when the service resumes. You may also see alternative networks available for the deposit, so that is certainly something that you can do. You could also try depositing using a alternative network if it is actually listed. But honestly, if you're in a situation that is like this, then what you would need to do is wait until maintenance is completed. But typically, Binance is pretty fast and very responsive. Okay, next up, we're going to be talking about deposit holds or verification locks, and this is for Binance.us. So if you're using Binance.us, deposit suspensions might be due to a 7-day hold on ACH or bank deposits. So you can trade with the funds, but you cannot withdraw until the hold period ends. So it's kind of weird, but you may need to wait 7 days, or your deposit might still be waiting for blockchain confirmations. Withdrawals won't be available until confirmations are complete. And other restrictions are pretty obvious, but they include things like incomplete identity verification, unsettled balances from failed deposits, or open orders/staked assets preventing withdrawals. So you want to make sure that your account is in good standing. You want to make sure that you do have enough money in your account as well. Okay, now let's talk about incorrect deposits or missing tags/memos. So if funds aren't showing up because of an incorrect memo/tag or an unsupported token address, Binance provides a recovery service. So you can submit a deposit status query. If it qualifies, it uses Binance self-service recovery or submit a retrieval request. So in order to access this, what you want to do is you want to go to the top right and select on your profile picture, then go ahead and select on get help. And then from here, you guys have a bunch of articles that you guys can go ahead and take a look at. You could send them a message over here. You could also talk to customer support, and basically this is going to help you out significantly. So I really recommend talking to the Binance customer support because they will able to walk you through your account. They're able to see your account, its holding and stuff like that, and of course if there's any issues and how to fix them. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.